So today we will discuss after the topic of catenation, the general characteristic of organic compounds. The first one characteristic of the organic compound is the occurrence, meaning that where the organic compounds are found. These are actually found uh, in the living organism. We have taken it from the living organisms or from the things that were once living in the past, just like crude oil, etc., coal. Now, the organic compounds are also covalent in nature. Generally, they are covalent in nature because these are generally non-polar in nature. But some are also polar. But these polar and non-polar have the bonding, which is actually the covalent bond. Now, the composition. That what are the constituents, what are the ingredients, what are actually the compositions in which compound contains. And that is actually carbon is the main constituent of organic compound. Hydrogen is also present. For example, this one, we said that this is the composition. A very simple example. This is the ethane. You see, it contains carbon, also hydrogen. That's very simple. Now, carbon main constituent of carbon, hydrogen is also present. It may be organic compounds like nitrogen, and many organic compounds like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, and hydrogens are also present in some of the organic compounds you see. Now, M and BP mean melting and boiling point. Organic compounds are volatile in nature, so it have low MP and BP. It have low MP and BP. Now, what is mean by the solubility? Solubility mean that the organic compounds are actually non-polar in nature, so they are soluble in organic solvents like ether, benzene, etc. Similarity and behaviors. It is also known as homology. Different organic compounds have close relationship with one another. So a series of organic compounds in which any two adjacent molecules are differ by minus C dash R dash CH2. It is also known as methylene group called homologous series. Rate of reactions. The rate of reactions of all the organic compounds are generally slow due to covalent bond. That is, once again we state that the organic compounds are generally less stable than inorganic compounds due to covalent bond in nature. Again and again I say there is a covalent in nature. The reaction rates are often slow. Students, I hope that you will understand the topic. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.